Lex, I have an issue that I need your help on again. Um, I'm in the Microsoft Azure register an application page. Now I have access to this page because I set up my own Microsoft business account, um, so I could learn more about Microsoft, interfacing with Microsoft Azure and Active Directory and so on for future reference, but also to help me better understand um, how the app is connected with Azure. So the issue that has come up is we had uh, a person outside of the U.S., a Campbell Scientific employee. I think his name is Steven Severinson. I might have that wrong. And he tried to log into the app. He's the first person outside of CampbellSci.com organization to log into the app. And he was able to authenticate, but I didn't have the permissions to access what I needed to in order to set up. Let's see, I needed to be able to access his account information. That's where the issue was. And the I didn't have that permission. So he logged into the app, but he was unable to do anything meaningful with it. So I've gone to this page to start to learn where the issue might be, and I think we're back to the single tenant or multi-tenant choice. I know you prefer single tenant, but I'm wondering if in order to any Campbell Sci organization, all of the organizations under the Campbell Sci umbrella outside of the US that have different domain extensions than .com, we need to be able to allow them to also log into the app. For instance, the Stevens extension is .co.uk. Do we need to go to multi-tenant in order to allow him to access the app and everybody else that's not a .com extension within the Campbell Sci organization? So that's my question. Do we need to go to multi-tenant, and how can we do this so you're comfortable with not exposing, risking security issues? And I'll stop here. Thanks.